OPPO has officially announced the OPPO Find X9 series phones. Find X9 and Find X9 Pro will be introduced at an event in China on October 16th. And here is your first look. Some huge rear design changes from Find X8 square camera module instead of circular, reminiscent of Find X5. Find X9 come in matte titanium, frost white, and matte black. OPPO Find X9 bright red looks amazing. The OPPO Find X9 has a thickness of 7.99mm and weight 203 grams. These will be one of the first batch of phones that will be equipped with the Dimensity 9500 flagship chip and run ColorOS 16 based on Android 16. The Find X9 will feature a 6.59-inch. This screen will offer a 1.5K resolution, symmetrical bezels, and a modern, flat design for improved usability. It will also include an ultrasonic in-display fingerprint sensor. The device will be powered by MediaTek's Dimensity 9500 SoC, up to 16GB of LPDDR5X RAM, up to 1TB of UFS 4.0 storage. On the rear is a 50MP main camera with OIS, using Sony's Lisha LYT808 sensor, a 50MP ultrawide using Samsung's ISOCELL JN5 sensor, and a 50MP periscope telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom. A 50MP camera using Samsung's ISOCELL JN1 sensor for selfies. The Find X9 will house a massive 7025 mAh battery. Support 80W wired and 50W wireless charging. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.